Hey guys! Today I'm showing you something that's gonna blow your mind. Ever wanted to repeat your favorite YouTube video forever without clicking that play button again and again? Well, I'm about to show you how to do it in under 60 seconds using the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. Let's go! First, make sure you have Turn Off the Lights browser extension installed in your web browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search Turn Off the Lights. Install it. It's free, and yes, it works on any video. Installation completed. Click right on the gray lamp button and select the menu item options. A whole world of video magic just opened up. Click the Advanced Options tab, scroll down until you see Video Toolbar, and enable this checkbox. This adds a slick floating toolbar to every HTML5 video, YouTube, Vimeo, you name it. When you go back to the YouTube video and you move your mouse inside the video container, you will see this bar. And that icon will allow you to repeat the current video. Just click it once, and your video will loop forever. No coding, no hacks, just vibes. Want to loop your favorite song, meme, or motivational speech? Done. Want to prank your friend with the same video on loop for hours? Done. You're unstoppable now. So smash that repeat button, and don't forget, this is just one of the epic features in the Turn Off the Lights extension. If you learned something new today, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more epic browser tips. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.